doing? How you feeling? Welcome or welcome back. I am low-key hippie. My name is actually Idro. You can call me a G, EJI. I never say that. I've probably said it in like 3 videos. I just assume you know. Now hold on just a minute, okay? If you're new here, I'm gonna need you to subscribe real quick. It is free and I appreciate it so much. Go ahead and like while you're down there too. Okay, bye. Today we are moisturizing our hair. Okay, I just washed my hair and I was just about to LOC method as usual, but I was just like, hey, let me share this with the girls and boys just in case anyone was curious. Now the LOC method, the LOC method, is basically liquid or leave-in, oil, cream. Yeah, and there's the LCO method, liquid or leave-in, cream, and then oil. That is the sequence you put them in your hair if you did not catch that. The LOC method works fine for me. People play around, people mess around, people find what works for them. Do you? But the LOC, I'm sorry, I'm tired if I space out, method works just fine for me. Okay, you just gotta like feel around and see what works for you. LOC works for me with this as my leave-in, water too. The Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Come on, focus, baby. There we go. For my oil, this is actually olive oil. Maybe avocado. And this is why I do not know what's in there, because I reuse bottles. But this is what I use on my scalp. This is the Fusion Oil Hair Grow Essence by Cable. I use this on my scalp. I use the leave-in, the oil, and then my C is shea butter. This is the same with shea butter I made a video on. I'll probably link that somewhere for you on how I get my shea butter. But that is the LVODC. Now this method is really popular because it is basically the cheat code to keeping your hair moisturized for longer. Like, this is probably about to keep your hair moisturized for about 5 to 7 days before you need to maybe wait it a little bit, put some leave-in in it. I'm tired, I'm sorry, but yeah, this method, the LOC and the LCO method, was created for type 3 and type 4 naturals who just want to keep that moisture, man. Like, I know a lot of people struggle with keeping their hair moisturized or moisturizing their hair. Some people just don't even do it at all, which is bad, okay? Moisturizing your hair is the GOAT. It is a major key in growth, okay? Because if you don't moisturize your hair, it's dry. And what does dry hair do? Snap off. So definitely, if you don't have a moisture, you seem like, babes, get a cream, something. If you don't have a routine at all, you need to get one, my love, honey, sweetie. Don't do that to your hair, okay? This method always leaves my hair super soft and moisturized. I wish I could let y'all feel it. Like this, I don't really have too much of a problem with people touching my hair. If you're authorized, like ask me and I'll let you do it. But, yeah, I wish I could let you guys feel it. My hair is deep conditioned, so it's already like mad freaking soft. And I am protective styling tomorrow. That's going to be a video on its own because I do my own hair. I've said this before, I am doing faux locks, the video coming soon, okay? But before I protective style, I need to make sure my hair is moisturized. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do that, okay? I am going to LOC this. y'all can just watch me do this. I'm about to LOC, and as I finish up this section, I'm gonna twist it up, and then yeah, I'm gonna get back to you. Something you might want to do is get something that would section your hair, because working in sections is just the easiest way to make sure product is being distributed, because you could just like, and then like half of your strands don't get nothing, not even a lick of moisture. I'm about to section my hair into a 4 and work section by section, moisturizing, twisting it up. Oh, if you see me looking this way, I'm looking at a screen. That is the only way I can see myself right now. So yeah. Now, my length and each twist does not have to be the neatest, because I am just twisting my hair to stretch it out a little bit. I just was not feeling like blow drying it. So we're moisturizing, we're twisting, we're going to sleep, and then we're combing it out tomorrow. This is the leave-in, by the way. This is the oil, which goes right on top. And then, last but not least, the cream. I'm using lip shea butter. I know people use cocoa butter creams, like curl creams and all that. So you have a lot of options to switch between with the LOC or the LCO method, whichever you do. I have seen quite a few variations with gang different products, okay? Like, not even available as every type of gang product. So the brand does not matter. Like, just because this works for me does not mean like, oh, that's the only like these are the only products that are gonna work. Like, nah. You can try a bunch other combinations and they should work. Like, if you have products that your hair already likes, you already have a leave-in, you already have a favorite oil, go ahead. You halfway there, sis. You don't need to like switch up 100%. Okay, I was ranting. Basically, what I just said, product combination doesn't matter. You don't have to use these specific products I'm using. If you have an oil you like, leave-in you like, buttery or thick consistency type of products that you can use as your cream, go ahead, man. There's no standard procedure for the products here. You use what you like. You use what works. And I'm just gonna twist this up. And this is a one juicy moisturized ass twist. And yeah, we just repeat. I'm gonna come back to you and show you this again when I get to the front. I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Okay. Okay. This is a close-up of a twist, if I could get it to focus really well. There you go. The residue does dry clear, like it does not dry white. It absorbs and then you're good. The twist definitely got bigger. I'm looking for a hair tie. The twist definitely got bigger. I am finally done. This took about 20 minutes to do. The twist definitely got bigger. Like my first twist is tiny, and then my last twist is quite thicker, as you can see. But she is all moisturized. She's all soft. She's all smelling good. It is Olympian. We're not going to talk about it. But as my hair was drying, because I just washed it, so as it was drying, I would wet it a little bit. If you saw me spray, that's what I was doing, because this method works best when your hair is wet. I feel like it's easiest to retain the moisture that's already there. Okay, so I would constantly re-wet my hair. And yeah, that's it. Twist got bigger and I re-wet my hair. That's all you missed. I am going to bed because I am tired. If I go to bed, I mean I'm gonna be up for 4 more hours. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there are any hair or otherwise videos you want to see from me. I hope you're well. I hope you're blessed. I hope your skin's moisturized. I hope your hair is moisturized. Now you ain't got no excuse, my love. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're blessed. I hope you sleep well. I hope you ate good, okay? If nobody told you today, I love you. Go ahead and subscribe and like because it's free. Why not? Social media's in the description. Okay, bye, my love.